Be a legacy builder.
So in 5 steps, what would you say is the process to actually identifying the right opportunity from a property investment point of view?
First of all, you need to identify the area that you want to invest in, because the area that you want to invest in is very important. I can say to you, go to Berea and go invest in Berea, but I might be wrong. So the basic thing is that identify properties that are within 30 minutes away from where you stay or where your business is, right?
Yeah.
And then once you've done that, you need to understand the rental market. Go to the town planning department to ask them what's the future looks like. If there's a lot of development going on, it might be a good and a bad thing.
So as real estate investors, it's a long-term game, right? And obviously if you're playing a long-term game, patience is everything. Like, you need patience, because without patience you will not succeed in this business. There's patience that goes into, you know, the research phase of everything.
Yes.
Because you know the process that goes into us buying properties.
Yes.
There's the research part, right? Where you need to research the location and all of that. It takes patience. You don't find one property and you think this is a good buy or this is a good investment. You've always told me I need to go through at least 50 properties before I make a decision. So let's talk through that process of identifying opportunities and selecting the best ones.
So the identifying opportunities, again, with patience you get the right opportunity, because when we look at properties, Poncho, you know, we don't go for the best looking ones. We go for the ones that can give you the growth that you're looking for, right? Yeah. So you buy, you look at dilapidated properties.
How important is it to set goals in life? And I'm not just talking long-term goals, because in life you need to have long-term, short-term, and very short-term goals. So how important is it to set goals? And even so, don't be too hard on yourself when you don't reach a milestone. You know, you need to be very patient with yourself. But I want to understand how important it is to set goals.
Okay, so Mr. Poncho, to me, my goals are always long-term. It's because I break them down. So even my short-term goals, it's a plug into the long-term goal, right? I have a short-term goal, but it's part of the bigger plan, part of the bigger long-term goal. If you want to go fast, you go alone. Yeah. But if you want to go far, you go together. Yeah. And it's not nice to go together. It's not a nice experience. The process is painful to go together. But then again, with patience, you're able to go together. When you go in a business, it's very hard. It's very hard. You need to have the right team, and you need to be patient, because some people will come with good intentions, some people will come with bad intention. That's the world we live in. It's good and evil. So you need to be then able to have the patience and set the target and keep on going.
Teamwork is everything. You need to make sure that you've got the right people in your team. And if those people don't share the same vision as you let them go.
Be a legacy builder, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.